This is a proposal for United Tile to reformat the pick tickets, the documents used by customer service in the warehouse to fill orders. I'll highlight the main features of an app I wrote in Python to make it easier and faster to deliver the correct products in the correct amounts and with fewer broken tiles. It will also help to train and retain employees by reducing frustration in the warehouse, and it will help the customers when they receive their orders and when they deliver them to the job sites. Before viewing the new customized pick ticket, let's see the old format. We'll zoom into the product order section of this small 2-item ticket. Here's the item description. Here's the bin that codes for item location. Quantity is shown here. It can be in single tiles, cartons, or full pallets. These 22 cartons weigh about 320 pounds. Weight is key. Heavy items generally go on the pallet first, so they don't crush the lighter items that go on top. Finally, here's the total weight of both items. This indicates the number of pallets needed. The first point is that this information should be in rows and columns. The old layout's hard to read, especially when there's more than one page, so let's look at a 7-item order that's on 3 pages. Just focusing on weight, there's about 400 pounds on page 1, but the heaviest item at 4,000 pounds is on page 2. Maximum pallet weight is 2,500 pounds, so this 4,000 pound item gets split onto 2 pallets. On page 3, we see that the total weight is just over 6,000 pounds, or 3 total pallets. So everything else will go on to pallet 3, and the 1,200 pound item on the last page goes on first. The point is that the total weight and the heaviest items should be on page 1. Before I demo the app with an even larger order, there's one more formatting issue. For this item, quantity is on page 3, but description and location are on page 2. So we have to flip back and forth to ensure we pull the correct item in the correct quantity. The Python app addresses these and other issues. In this next example, we'll also consolidate multiple pick tickets, something the current system doesn't do. Let's boot the app and enter 7 pick ticket numbers for a total of 29 items ordered, all bound for 1 delivery truck. With the old system, we print only 1 pick ticket at a time, and we have to confirm the printer selection for each ticket. Here, 1 click prints all 7 tickets. Note my printer's paused, so they'll just sit in the queue. 1 click also consolidates all the tickets, something the old system can't do. Currently, we do this manually. In this example, that means flipping through 14 pages while mentally keeping track of the total weights and the heaviest items. Now let's clear the entries and see the new pick ticket. We'll use the consolidated file as our example. We reduced 14 pages to just 2, friendlier to the environment and fewer pages to juggle while driving around on the forklift. Looking at the format, the combined weight of all 7 tickets is in the upper left-hand corner, and the items are in rows. Item location and description are in the far left columns, and quantity is in the center. Items are sorted by weight, with the heaviest items first. No more flipping between the pages. On the right, we've retained the original order information, which is key for the customers, as I'll explain next. Scrolling down to page 2, here's an item that appears on 4 separate tickets. Combining the duplicates reduced the 29 items ordered to just 18 unique items. This makes filling orders and building pallets faster and easier. When you're filling the order, you need to see the total quantity, 1 carton plus 9 each. But when the products get to their destination, customers need to see the original orders so they know how many items go to each job site. For this item, we see that 3 each go to the Prancing Pony job site, 1 carton plus 2 each go to the Hogshead, and so on. This ensures that each job site gets the items they need in the correct amounts. Finally, there's not enough room to print the next full item on page 1, so it starts on page 2. On behalf of myself and everyone in the warehouse, thanks for considering this proposal, and thanks for watching.